And there's not another pontoon, a boat like this on the market that you can wakeboard behind.
So you got a patent on this design?
Yes, sir. We got a patent pending on the hull. We got trademark on some trademark stuff on the rest of it. We build it all, build the ski racks.
That looks good. That looks real good.
And we don't cut no corners at all.
How long you been building boats?
Huh?
How long you been building boats?
I'm not gonna lie to you, this is our third one, really.
What'd you do before you did this?
I've been in the construction business all my life, and still in the construction business. I built a boat about 16 years ago. If you look on our website, you'll see there's another boat called the Classic. We built that boat 16 years ago. We built it, and that's how we come across this whole design, is we built it and it was too heavy. It was sitting too low in the water. I kept playing with it, taking it back to the fab shop, redoing the bottom. And then all of a sudden it was like, wow. And then my son, David, he's just turned 21 and got about 2 years of college behind him. And he's the whole time he's been, Daddy, we need to go in the boat business. We need to go in the boat business. So this is really him. I'm just helping him get started in the boat business.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that.
And so I told him, go sell a boat if you want to go in the boat business. So he sold a boat. And this boat here, he sold to a customer of ours. And so we built it as a prototype. Now we're selling 100. We're gonna build, we got enough of this wood. This is 200-year-old sinker cypress. Comes out the bottom of the Mississippi River. And we're gonna do 100. We got about 21 sold, 79 to go. And so it's a very limited edition. This wood will never rot. If you look at our boat, it's 16 years old. It's had a clear coat about 8-9 years ago, and it needs another coat now. We'll bring them in every 8 to 10 years. They need to be recoated. These boats will last forever. In other words, where those other ones fade, wear out, these boats here, you can redo them. You can have this boat 100 years from now. Put new upholstery on it, sand it down, new coat of clear coat, and you're good to go. And lifetime warranty on the hull, never leak. It's foam filled all the way to the deck.
And you do your own hull building?
Yes, sir. We build them right there. And we have 100% financing. We got a finance company that they actually come in here yesterday. We picked them up over here, and they finally got all our financing approved yesterday. Depending on your credit, you get 100%, 95%, or 85%. Just depending on your credit score, and that's for 20 years. And
yes, somebody's want to finance it for you.
yeah.
So I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm interested.